Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum everyone. Today we will take you to a very nice and historical place. It's located 71 miles south from Washington DC and 81 miles southeast from my residence. The place is called George Washington Birthplace National Monument. Now we are entering to George Washington Birthplace and the road is very narrow and surrounded by lots of trees. The day just started with 33 degrees Celsius and hot and humid. This is one of the historical houses near to his residence and currently it used for multiple purposes such as social gathering. Let me give you little bit of history of his original home, which is destroyed by the fire, and a memorial house was built in the historical style to mark the site. The beauty of the place is surrounded by Potomac River and cornfield, birds and natural beauty. The total area of this place is 1.034 square miles and currently this park is taken care by United States National Park Service. Now you guys are looking at the backyard of the house which is close to the water. We have seen canoe which is laying towards the trees but did not see anybody is riding on it. Otherwise, we might get a chance to ride there too. George Washington was one of the founding fathers and first president in the United States from April 3rd, 1789 to March 4th, 1797. He was a great president and memorialized by monument, art, geographical location, stamp, and currency. He was an independent president and a military person in his 67 years old of his life. Now we will take you to other side of the park where you will see cornfields and some historical site. Now we are crossing the road and going to the place where you will find George Washington's great-grandfather's monument and graves. Let me give you little bit of history of John Washington. His great-grandfather John Washington immigrated in 1656 from England to the British colony of Virginia, where he accumulated 5,000 acres of land. According to the internet search, there are 1.3 million visitors visited in this place in recent years. The closest city in the nearby this place is called Fredericksburg, Virginia. President Washington spent his most of childhood in Fredericksburg. If I get a chance, I will take you guys to Ferry Farm where you will find his boyhood memory. Now the sun is laying towards the west and it's time to go home. I also try my best to capture the beauty of the place. Hope you will be like this video and let me know in the comment section so next time I can take you guys to Fairy Farm where you will find George Washington childhood memory. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for giving me so much time. You will all be well and healthy. Till then, Allah Hafiz.